Good morning, good people. Big Mo the Crypto Lion here. Want to give you an update on Lendexcoin. This is one we've been following since the pre-ICO. It is at 108,694 registered users. This is the last round of the ICO. They have done 19 rounds in the ICO. Starting at 80 cents, it's now $1.20, which is still a fantastic deal. The amount of interest, and the reason I say that is look at the amount of interest. Like I said, 108,000 registered users. The ICO sold out again in less than 2 minutes. Every single round has sold out in less than 2 minutes. Now I'm going to show you a video I did early on how to invest in it, and look how many users there were. 18,000 users, and this was on January 16th. So this is about a month ago. They went from 18,000 to 108,000 users. Okay, so the interest has steadily been growing. It's been amazing to just watch this thing, because I mean, what are we trying to do? We're trying to pick winners. We're trying to make money. And I mean, let's not let's not kumbaya this thing. I'm trying to get paid, and I don't mind sharing with you what I'm doing. And I very much appreciate the feedback as well. I've been getting some good comments. Some I'm not crazy about. Some call me knucklehead or whatever, but that's okay. We all express ourselves differently, but I do learn myself as well as people share thoughts with me. Anyway, so let me play a part of this for you just to remind you how to invest in this in Lendexcoin, and just instead of going back through it, I'll just go ahead and play a little bit of this for you. I digress. So right now what we're going to do is do a deposit. So again, you decide what you're going to do. If you're going to do BTC or Ethereum, go check your wallets. And so for this, I did BTC, and like I said, the site is very quick, it's very clean, very nicely laid out. They have your information here for you, what to do. So here we go. The minimum deposit amount of BC each time. You can deposit any amount. Okay, great. So there's no minimum. And again, just a reminder, send only BTC to this address. And once you have one confirmation from Coinbase, it gets deposited to your wallet. I disagree with this part right here, and I'll show you as one of the newbie mistakes is sending your from an exchange. Sending your BTC or your Ethereum from an exchange to any ICO or any lending platform. And I'll show you why. But right now, you just go ahead and highlight this. You go ahead and highlight the Bitcoin deposit address. Right? You go ahead and copy that. All right, I have my handy dandy empty Jax wallet, and you would click from your wallet, you hit send, the receiving address, you just type that in there, and the amount. Now, make sure, in the case of Jax, well, all of them, it'll tell you either in BTC or USD. So you say USD, $100. Okay, let's say 1,000. All right, and then you click send. Now, once you click send, what you do is you click over here in transaction history, and you click the TX, which is a transaction history. So here was mine. Okay. Now, here's the Bitcoin transaction. Here's the amount. Like I said, it's around $100. I guess right now it's 96 because Bitcoin is having some issues right now. Well, the whole crypto space is on discount right now. Here's the fee, and that was 30 minutes ago. So it's at 3 out of 6 confirmations. And so what's cool about Lendex, it took them one confirmation, they showed it as confirmed and deposited in my account. Okay, but that's something you want to make a habit of. Even if you've been in this a while, click on your hash. Click on your hash. Make sure that you're seeing your transaction going through, and kind of watch it. Because some of these Bitcoin transactions have been slow. Okay, once you've done that and it shows up in your, go to your dashboard, go back to your dashboard, and you'll see it show up in your wallet. If it's Bitcoin, it'll show up in your Bitcoin wallet. If it's Ethereum, it'll show up in your ETH wallet. Now, I'm assuming the USD wallet, since you can't send USD directly, that must be lending and staking interest is going to show up in USD. And yeah, see, because there, then you'll be able to convert USD. And it's as simple as that. And then ICO day, like I said, you're watching the counter that morning. You just click buy LDX token, and then whatever window shows up, yeah, see, it's not going to show you that, but there's going to be some kind of button, something here that you can click, and you put in how many that you want, and it'll convert it based on the price. It's starting at 80 cents, and you click buy. Okay, so again, the beauty of this.
Okay, so that was just to remind you of how to do the buy on Lendexcoin. It's been a while since I've done it. I mean, I can't believe it's been over a month already. But hopefully that will refresh your memory. Or if this is your first time seeing this video, then that will give you some illustration of how to use it. Okay, so let's look at the counter again, because I've done a couple of pauses here. Yep, an hour and 31 minutes. All right, and this is the final round. And then let's click the roadmap, and let's see. Okay, so within about 10 days, and 9 days, something like that, the lending platform opens. Lending begins, and that's at $2 per coin. Okay, so if you have 1,000 tokens, then you're going to be able to do a $2,000 loan. Okay, so that's a double right off the bat. And then just a few days after that, they're going to be on the internal exchange, and you'll be able to sell some of your Lendex tokens. So like I said, what my plan is take about 50% of it and put into a loan, and then 25% sell on the internal exchange and do staking for the other 25%. So yeah, so 50% of my tokens in a loan at $2, 25% I'm staking, and then 25% on the exchange at whatever price it's on the exchange at. They're hoping 225, excuse me, 225 from my mouth to God's ears, for $25 or whatever price. If it's $10, whatever it is, but I'm going to go ahead and sell a small portion at the initial. As you know, I have a little over 3,000 tokens that I've invested in. All right, and then the Windows wallet comes out April 15th. Get your taxes done, and then May 4th coin market cap, and it's not till July before they hit the external exchanges, if they, if everything goes according to plan. And they're saying by June of 2019 it could be $150. Hey, it's possible. It sure could be possible, because what was it, Hextra, Regal Coin, all of those hit 100 and something. Devore, I mean, we can't, now we have to spit when we say Devore, but at the time it was doing pretty amazing. So your staking, let's see, I was looking to see how much the staking was paying. I forgot. Let's see. 10 days, you hold it for 10 days to get your staking started, and that's your lending at 17% a month. Yeah, I don't see it, I'm sorry. I think it's going to take me back to the same place. Yeah, it's not telling me exactly how much, but this is the staking process. So it's similar to what I showed you in terms of the deposit. You just deposit your BTC or ETH on the platform. You buy some additional Lendex coin on the exchange on March 1st when the exchange opens. You download the desktop wallet and you start staking. Well, I guess it wouldn't be March 1st because they're saying the desktop wallet is a little bit later. But anyway, so that's what staking is. That's where what the process would be. Okay, good people. Dashboard. Let's go back to the first page here. All right, hour and a half. If you're interested in Lendex coin, time is running out. Do not miss your last chance. Anyway, just want to give you that quick update, let you know what was going on. Final reminder on this one, and I'll let you know once I start my loan. I'll go ahead and do a video for that. Anyway, Big Mo the Crypto Lion here. Please share, like, and subscribe if this was of some use to you. Have a powerful day. Peace and God bless.